In-explain ko sa kanila na.
Hello! Welcome to another episode of FPJ's Adventures. Today we have Galactic Shark, Dre, Ed Uy, and Fanboy SEO sa ating toy run dito sa Co-Warehouse Sale. Yes, you heard that right. It's their mid-year warehouse sales kung saan marami silang items up for grabs at a very discounted price. And as you can see, you could get Funko Pops for as low as 99 pesos lang. Grabe ang mura. Saan ka makakita nun? Ang dami pang selections kaya hindi mo alam kung anong kukunin mo. Meron silang figures, stickers, blockies, at other collectible items. Plus, meron silang mga K-pop merchandise na discounted up to 80%. Hindi lang anime ang type ng Funko Pop dito. Meron din from Marvel, DC, pop culture characters, games, pati na yung Skibidi Toilet andito. At syempre, K-pop idols. Kaya punta na kayo sa CO Warehouse Sale happening from July 15 to 31 from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mag-message na din kayo sa kanilang social media for more info and assistance. Ayun lang. So hopefully makapunta kayo and happy shopping!